Hi all. Mm, In the previous lectures, we will discuss about bisection method and their types of questions. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the method of false position, the second one method which is in the syllabus. So, the method of false position is also known as the method of interpolation or the method of linear interpolation or the method of regular falsi method. So the method of false position is the oldest method and dates back to the ancient Egypt. ठीक है जी. This method is also known as the method of linear interpolation or the regular falsi method. It remains an effective alternative to the bisection method for solving non-linear equation of the form f of x equal to 0 for a real root in the open interval AB. Given that f is continuous on the closed interval AB and f of A and f of B have opposite signs, then we have the procedure for this. Without loss of generality, suppose that a continuous function f is negative at A and positive at B. So, there exists at least one real root between A and B. We may also take f as positive at A and negative at B. Now we connect the 2 points A, f of A and B, f of B on the sketch of curve y equal to f of x by a straight line segment. The equation of the code joining the points A, f of A and B, f of B is given by y minus f of A equals to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A into x minus A. The point of intersection of this code with x-axis is given by putting y equal to 0 in the above equation. Now we have put the value of y equal to 0. Now we putting the value of y is equal to 0 here. We are putting the value of y equal to 0. Then 0 minus f of a equals to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a into x minus a. Or the x minus a, we have taken this f of b minus f of a upon b minus a into equal to this side, and this will be reversed. Then x equals to, we get the value of x, a minus b minus a upon f of b minus f of a into f of a. Then we have then after that, after the simplification, we get the final iteration, that is x equal to a into f of b minus b f of a upon f of b minus f of a. This is the final iteration. This is the final iteration. Okay. First approximation approximation this is first approximation. You know that for first approximation to the root is so you have, hence the first approximation value of the root, say x1 is given by this. Now as in bisection method, there are three possibilities: f of x equal to 0, in which case x1 is the root; if f of x1 is less than 0, in which case the root lies in the interval x1 minus b; if f of x1 is greater than 0, in which case the root lies in the interval a, x1. There lies in the interval this. Then Now, if case 1 occurs, the process terminates. If either case 2 or case 3 occurs, the same process is repeated until the root is obtained to the desired accuracy. Okay, then general formula of regular falsi method is this. Xk plus 1 equal to xk minus xk minus 1 upon f of xk minus f of xk minus 1 into f of xk, where k is 1 2 3 so on up to जो भी आगे आता है ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन. तो ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन, द मेथड ऑफ फॉल्स पोजीशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग ए पार्ट ऑफ कवर curve y equal to f of x between the points x k minus 1 comma f of x k minus 1 and x k comma f of x k by means of straight line joining these points and taking the point of intersection of the straight line with the x axis as the next approximation. X k plus 1 to the root of the equation f of x equal to 0, assuming that root lies between x k minus 1 and x k. Now the advantages of regular falsi method. So the advantages of this method is suitable for implementation on computer. Like bisection method, the method of false position has almost assured convergence and it may converge to the root faster than the bisection method. Since xk minus 1 f of xk minus 1 and xk comma f of xk are known before starting the next iteration, for xk plus 1 the fast position method require one function evaluation per iteration, that is f of xk plus 1, so computational effort is less. So अब इसकी कुछ एडवांटेजेस हैं तो लिमिटेशंस भी है इन रेगुलर फारसी मेथड. इट मे हैपन द मोस्ट और ऑल द कंप्यूटेड अप्रोक्सीमेशंस आर ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द रूट, कंसिक्वेंटली द कन्वर्जेंस में बी स्लो. तो इसमें कन्वर्जेंस जो है वो स्लो हो सकती है. तो दिस इज द रेगुलर फारसी मेथड. द नेक्स्ट we will discuss about their questions in the next lecture. Thank you, have a nice day. और अच्छी लगी हो वीडियो तो शेयर, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. जय भारत, जय माता.